Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today, got a Glossybox unboxing. This is September's box. It came Friday. I'm recording this on Sunday, so relatively quick for me on the old Glossybox front. Oh, as if by magic. Gilly, you can't walk through things, mate. Do you want that one? There you go, good boy. Right, so we have got a heavy box, standard colouring, but that is heavy. Right, let's jump right in. There's a dirty mark on the front of my box, which is nice. No one's going to lose any sleep over that. Right, there's nothing else for you, Gil. He's literally like, oh, is this for me? Glossybox Delicious Beauty. Alright, so we look like that. Oh. The reason why I'm laughing is I'm just like, the first thing I've seen there is a toothpaste, and I literally have just got in from the shops, and one of the things I bought was toothpaste. That's so funny. And it's a charcoal one, and I bought a charcoal toothpaste. That's quite funny. Right, it is a heavy box. There seems to be a lot in here. So, got Gilly rearranging the sofa for me just out of camera. Lovely. And I've got really flat hair. Delightful. Right, let's jump right in. I'll show you the toothpaste. I literally have just been out and bought toothpaste. Wonderful. Anyway, this is the Colgate Max White Charcoal Gentle Mineral Scrubbing. Looks like that. It's meant to be a good one, this one actually. So this is full size. The recommended retail price is £4. Colgate's like a staple old school brand, but they've done really well in their like marketing, I think, to make it modern again. But yeah, I just find it really funny that I literally today been out and bought practically the same thing. Fab. Okay. The next thing I've got is a Carex Love Hearts Fun Edition Hand Gel Quick Dry Gel. So it looks like that. So it's just like hand sanitizer, I'm assuming. Can I get into you? What do you smell of? It doesn't smell like Love Hearts, I tell you that. So it's just like antibac gel, I think. Make sure we're all nice and clean and germ free. Not helping, I've already got a cold, but yeah, that doesn't smell like Love Hearts. So you're either going to get the strawberry laces or the Love Hearts edition. This is full size, recommended retail £1.55. You can buy them in Boots, apparently. I don't think that smells like Love Hearts in the slightest, but it's not unpleasant. It just doesn't smell like Love Hearts. The next thing I've got is a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Deep Conditioning Protein Pack for dry, damaged or colour treated hair. Ooh. So this is full size, and this is £2.49. So barg, really, if it's good. No sulfates, no paraffins, no something I can't pronounce, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dyes. So yeah, it's like a hair mask. That's pretty cool. Next thing is one of these. Hello Beautiful Exfoliate and Glow Original Black Tea Body Scrub. Ooh. Formulated to buff, brighten and deeply nourish skin from head to toe. Ooh, I like the sound of that. This is also full size. This recommended retail price is £7.95. This refreshing tea leaf also makes a fabulous 100% natural body exfoliator filled with antioxidants and essential oils. This caffeine-based scrub buffs away dry cells and quenches thirsty skin. Better yet, it has a gorgeous sweet almond and orange scent. How interesting. So basically you wet your skin, take a handful of the scrub, massage the scrub over your entire body, showing some extra love to problem areas. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Ooh, ooh, I really like the sound of that. Next thing, there is loads of things in this month's box. May banana setting powder. Who knew makeup involved baking? This trendy technique helps set your makeup and creates a smooth finish. Use a beauty sponge to apply the ultra-fine mineral-based banana powder over areas you've just concealed. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes, then brush it off. The result, a glowing, bright and flawless complexion. Recommended retail, 15 quid. Ooh. Ooh, it looks super fine. I'm not going to get this out because you know I'll just end up covering myself in baking powder or banana powder or whatever you call it. But yeah, that is full size also. Is everything full size this month? That's so cool. And then a Michelin Peach Floral No. 1 Fine Edition Eau de Perfume. So I've got a perfume. This is the Deluxe Mini. So this is 17.5ml, worth £29.75p. I'm slouching, fabulous. Probably slouched this entire video. Who would have thought sweet fennel could smell so good? Okay. Well, let's have a smell. I've got a cold, but let's have a whiff. Okay, this might be one that needs to breathe. Because from the bowl, it doesn't smell great. Alright, I'm just gonna breathe slightly. So yeah, £29.75 for the Deluxe Mini, a full size, which is 50ml, is 85 quid. Okay. It's a... Okay, so this says delicate notes of rose, ylang-ylang, pony, and lavender. And the more it sits on the skin, the more floral it becomes, because it smelt rather alcoholic in the bottle, but I think that would work on me. It might grow, but yeah, it's very heavy and floral. And then there's chocolate. There's chocolate in here. Doesn't say anything about chocolate in my little book, but I've got a Godiva Belgium ganache heart with Belgian chocolate bar. So yes, that is a blimmin' good box. I am very happy. I must admit, this is probably what intrigues me the most. And I think, oh, I was going to say it's another month where there's no makeup in our makeup subscription, but technically baking powder is, or banana powder is makeup, isn't it? But yeah, that is probably my favourite thing, just because it intrigues me. Like, I do believe everything definitely is going to get used, but yeah, that's probably my fave thing in this month's box. But I am happy with what I got. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.